Approaching the roundabout, a driver's guide. Step 1. Check for signage. Before you even get to the roundabout, watch out for signs. They'll guide you to the correct lane. Step 2. Select the correct lane early. First exit, stick to the left lane. Go in straight on. The left lane is usually your friend, but check local signs to be sure. Right-hand exits mean you should be in the right lane. Step 3. Reduce your speed and yield. As the roundabout nears, slow down. Give way to traffic from the right already circling. Step 4. Use your indicators. Turning left, signal left. Go in right or full circle. Signal right on approach, then left before your exit. If you're heading straight on, signal left after the exit before yours. Step 5. Navigate and exit safely. Stay in lane. Watch for cyclists and keep your distance. Signal left, check mirrors, and exit without cutting anyone off. And that's a wrap on roundabouts. Drive safe, and remember these tips for a smooth journey.